Let us know some important terms about stock marketing. What is a stock? Stock is a financial security that represents partial ownership in a company. And what is a share? Companies issue stocks in units called shares. IPO, initial public offering, and after that reselling is done. After the IPO, shareholders can resell their shares on the stock market, and stock prices are usually driven by expectations of the company's earnings. Investors may buy stocks in the hope of selling them for a profit when the company's value increases, which can also cause the stock price to increase. So we see that when the value of a stock is increased, at that time reselling gives us benefit. But when the value of a stock or the value of the company's earnings is getting down, then at that time reselling of the stock is not good. Now let us know Sensex 2. Sensex is sensitive index, or Sensex is the stock market app index indicator for the BSE. BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange. It is also sometimes referred to as BSE Sensex. It was first published in 1986 and is based on the market weighted stock index for 30 companies based on the financial performance. The large established companies that represent various industrial sectors are a part of this.